This is one of a series of short tutorials demonstrating use of the various features of Lifetree. To see more of the videos that will help you familiarise yourself with our service, please visit www.life-tree.net. Creating and managing cases. Patients, cases, and visits. Every patient is represented as a case in Lifetree, for which you can store data and comments. From your list of cases, you can click on a case name to work on it, that is, to start or resume a visit. Each visit corresponds to a session with the patient. The visit is where you will be doing most of your work with Lifetree. During a visit, as you examine a patient, you can select rubrics, enter their weight, run analysis, and lots more. Alternatively, you can click on the three icons adjacent to each other in order to edit the details of the case, export the case to file, or create a brief report from this case. Creating your first case. To add a new case, just type a reference name for your patient. For additional privacy, we recommend you avoid using your patient's name as the case name. Instead, you could, for instance, use a name combining your patient's initials, gender, age, and main health complaint, so that the individual cannot be identified by people other than you. When done, click Add Case. Once you click Add Case, the first visit is automatically initiated, and you land on the Visit page. For now, we return to the list of cases. Editing case details. If you click on the Edit icon near your case name, you can edit the case name, add comments related to your patient's medical history, or permanently delete the case. Exporting and importing cases. Lifetree enables you to export and import patients' cases from and into your existing list of cases. This is particularly useful when you want to share a case with other practitioners for review and cooperation. To save a patient's case to your local disk, click on the Export Case icon. This will save the case in standard XML format in a file you can email to a colleague. You can also import a Lifetree case that a fellow practitioner may have sent you into your list of cases. Click on the Import Case button and navigate to the file to select it. The case will then be automatically added to your list and you can start working on it. Creating brief case reports. By clicking on the Create Report button, you can also generate a brief report of the major activity in each of your cases. You can also view the events and historical logs of past visits for each case, or review the prescriptions recorded in the past for this specific case. To examine and work on a case that you have already created, click on the most recent visit to resume it. For example, if you want to study the case again on your own. Note that you can only resume the most recent visit for your case. You can also start a new visit for each case. For example, if a patient visits your practice again for a new consultation. When this happens, Lifetree will assist you by displaying for you the rubrics and weights that you had last selected during the patient's previous visit. You can then quickly check with the patient and modify these weights, remove some rubrics, add new ones, and so on. Thank you for following this short tutorial. Lifetree is a unique tool that saves you time and money by providing you with a complete and reliable software solution for homeopathic prescribing. We hope Lifetree's features will help you and your team be more productive and take your homeopathy practice to the next level. To try it out for free or learn more, visit us at lifetree.net.